So in this session, we will try to understand break-even chart and break-even analysis. Here in this chart, on x-axis, sales volume is given, and on y-axis, total cost and total revenue have been given. Here we will see that this line indicates fixed costs, whereas this line indicates total cost. Total cost means fixed cost plus variable cost. And here this line indicates total sales. Now this point is known as break even point, or it is also called BEP. Here the red shaded region shows loss and the green shaded region shows profit. Here I have denoted SA means actual sales and SB means sales at BEP. The difference between SA and SB means SA minus SB, we will get margin of safety. So break-even chart is very important tool in the hands of management for taking various decisions. From this chart, management can find out the level of profit at different level of production. It also tells the level of production where profit is zero. There are certain assumptions related to break-even chart. Here we will see one by one. The first one is the fixed cost is remaining constant for all level of production. Second one is the variable cost is directly proportional to output. Third one is selling price is constant for all levels of production. And fourth one is profit is always zero at break even point. Now we will see break even analysis formula. First sales, and from sales we will deduct variable cost, we will get contribution. From contribution we will deduct fixed cost, we will get profit. So from these figures, whatever given here, we will enumerate certain formulas. Break-even analysis formula, we will see here S means what? Sales equal to fixed cost plus variable cost plus profit. S stand for sales, F stand for fixed cost, V stand for variable cost, P stand for profit. So here S equal to fixed cost plus variable cost plus profit. Then second formula is sales minus variable cost equal to contribution. What we have seen in the previous slide, sales minus variable cost equal to contribution, which is equal to fixed cost plus profit. This formula means second formula I have taken from see here. You can establish relation here, sales minus variable cost equal to contribution, and from below when you will add fixed cost in profit you will get contribution. So second formula what we have seen, sales minus variable cost equal to contribution equal to fixed cost plus profit, what I have written here. And the third one is margin of safety, which is also known as MOS, equal to actual sales minus BEP sales, where SA stands for actual sales, SB stands for BEP sales. Means here SA minus SB, which gives the value of margin of safety. Means this one is actual sale and this one is sales at BEP. And difference means when you deduct BEP sales from actual sales, you will get margin of safety. Now the fourth formula is PV ratio, that is profit volume ratio, which we get dividing contribution by sales, or as we have seen in the previous formula, contribution we also write sales minus variable cost. So here I have taken this contribution equal to sales minus variable cost divided by sales. Means from this I have derived another formula. We can write contribution as sales minus variable cost. And also contribution is equal to F plus P. So at the place of contribution I have written F plus P divided by sales. And this formula is known as universal formula. Then we can also get PV ratio by the difference between profit divided by difference between the sales. When the profit and sales of two periods have been given, so we can get PV ratio, profit volume ratio, by getting difference between the profit of two periods divided by difference between sales of the two periods. Again we can get profit volume ratio dividing fixed cost, F stands for fixed cost, by sales at BEP. Means when there will be BEP sales, if I am writing here BEP sales, then profit will become 0. And in that case we will get PV ratio equal to F upon SB. That I have written here. PV ratio equal to fixed cost upon BEP sales. If P equal to 0, means this becomes 0 when the sales at BEP, you will divide the fixed cost by sales at BEP. And last one is PV ratio. We can get profit divided by margin of safety. So these are the formula, and with the help of this formula we can solve break-even analysis problems.